Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss exercise 10.2, that means word problems of percentage. Okay, so many things already we have discussed about the percentage. So today we will discuss what about that word problems as well as that another problem also from that percentage. Clear? Okay, so you should get ready at first. Everyone take out your copies and you should practice also, you should solve also. Clear? And another thing that some students are sending their work, some students are not sending their work. That is very bad habit. So please do the work properly. If any doubt, any query, any problem, you should inform the teachers. Clear? They are waiting for your response only. And you should practice. Okay, and you should read the question thoroughly because easy questions are there. You should try to understand what is the meaning of the given question. Clear everyone? Okay, so I hope you are ready. So you should practice it also with me. So now see exercise 10.2. okay, exercise 10.2. just a minute, I am changing the color. Okay, see exercise 10.2. 10.2 first question what percent is rupees 5 of rupees 300? This is the question. What percent is rupees 5 of rupees 300? Question clear? বলছি কত পার্সেন্ট is rupees 5 of rupees 300? কি করে বার করব আমরা? how to find out this one? যে rupees 5টা কি বলছি যে rupees 300 এর কত পার্সেন্ট? that is the meaning of the question. Actually this one will be the out of rupees 300. okay, out of rupees 300. So how to do this one? Just see rupees 5, so we'll write, and in denominator we'll write what? 300. Clear? Means out of 300 5 rupees, out of 300 5 rupees, we find out what percentage. Clear? So that's why we multiply by 100 or not. This one understood? Try to understand. Directly we are doing. Okay, we are doing directly. Total 300, so that one will write in denominator, and how many rupees? 5 rupees. That one will be in numerator, and since we are converting into percentage, that's why we will multiply by 100. okay, so 100 3 ja what? 100 3 ja 300. Clear or not? 100 3 ja 300. That means we are getting what? 5 by 3. Understood? 5 by 3%. Clear or not? 5 by 3%. Now see, this is what fraction? This is improper fractions. We can convert into mixed fraction, no? So we will convert it. That means 5 divided by 3. So if we do the division, 5 divided by 3, what we get? 3 1 ja 3. okay, 2. That means we are getting what? 1 in numerator, 2 denominator, 3. 1 2 by 3%. Clear everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Clear? I hope you are doing also, you are trying also. You should try it. okay, next question is telling, see, same process, question number 2, rupees 1 of rupees 16, rupees 1 of rupees 16. So how to do this one? See, same process, what to do? Say rupees 1, at first we will write what? Rupees 1 by rupees 16 in denominator. Clear or not? Clear? Into 100. Clear everyone? Clear? So now we have to do the cancellation is there. So 4 25 ja 100, and here 4 4 just 16. That means it is coming what? In numerator 25 into 1, 25, and denominator 4. So 25 4%. Okay. So since it is what fraction? It is improper fractions. We convert into mixed fractions. Same process by division. So do division everyone. 4 6 are 24. The remainder 1. So that's why we are getting what? 6 1 by 4%. Clear? Concept clear? Clear or not? Okay, I have understood. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3 see. Question number 3 is telling rupees 10 of rupees 50. What percent is rupees 10 of rupees 50? How to do this one? How to do this one? Say, how to do? See, what percent is rupees 10 no of rupees 50? So same process you should try it, no? Same process, rupees 10, that one will come in numerator and denominator rupees 50. Okay, rupees 10 in numerator and denominator rupees 50. After that we convert into percentage, so that's a percentage 100 in, and percentage sign will come. Clear? Rupees 10 by rupees 50 means rupees 10 out of 50. Okay, into 100. Understood? Now cancel. 52 ja 100 or not? 100. That means 2 into 10. 2 into 10 means rupees 20. Means here rupees sign won't come because rupees also will be cancelled. Only 20% will come. Only 20% will come. Understood everyone? Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So I hope you can do also. Another problem was the remaining problem 4 5 6. That one you can do it. You can do or not? Okay, see the question number 4. Question number 4 is telling 250 gram of 2 kg. 250 gram of 2 kg. Of means here out of 2 kg, and 2 kg means how many we convert into gram, no? 2 kg means 2000 gram. 2 kg means 2000 gram. We can write or not? Clear? 250 gram by 2 kg, and 2 kg means what? 2 kg means 2000 gram. Clear up to this one? Into 100. Clear? Clear or not? Now cancel. Here see, in numerator 2 zeros, cancel it. Here also 2 0, cancel it. Here from 250 1 0 and 1 0, here also 1 0. Clear? That means we are getting 25 by 2%. Understood everyone? Clear? So this is, it is what fraction? Say improper fractions. So now we convert into mixed fraction. So do division. 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 5. 2 2 ja 4. 1. Okay, that means we are getting what? 12 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 2%. Clear or not? Clear? Understood everyone? Here given what? The two units are not same, but first question, second question, third question we did what? Their units are same, but here units are not same, so that's why you should convert into same unit. Okay, after that cancellation. Okay, now question number 5. 5 and 6 you can do it or not? 5 and 6 you can do. Okay, see, I am doing question number 5. 5 centimeter is telling here, 5 centimeter, and here out of 1 meter. 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 centimeter, no? 1 meter means 100 centimeters. So that's why instead of 1 meter we will write what? 100 centimeter. আমরা 100 centimeter লিখব. Okay, into here ki, into here 100. This is for what? Percentage. So now 100 and 100 will be cancelled. Clear or not? So only what will come? Only 5% will come. Only 5% will come. Clear? Clear or not? So 5 finished. 5 finished. Okay. Now question number 6. This one also you can do it. 1 hour 30 minutes of 6 hours. 1 hour 30 minutes equal to of 6 hours. What percent is 1 hour 30 minutes of 6 hours? How to do this one? Of means here actually out of, okay, out of total 6 hours, and from them 1 hour 30 minutes we find out and we convert into percentage. That is the main thing. Clear? Okay. See, so we'll write what? Here 1 hour 30 minutes. Clear or not? In numerator and denominator 6 hours into 100%. No, that is the concept. Clear? That is the concept. And first we'll write what? Required percentage. Therefore required what? Percentage. Okay, but required number will write required number equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. Everywhere will write what? Required number. Everywhere, in every place. Okay, whatever we are finding, no, that will be what? Required number. Clear? Okay, see, 6 hours we convert into hours, and in numerator given now hour and minute together. So now what to do? We will convert all the things into minute. Okay, clear or not? Clear? So that is the way. So see, in numerator 1 hour is there. 1 hour means how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes, and here 30 minutes. So 60 plus 30, total 90 minutes. Clear or not? So 1 hour 30 minutes equal to dash 1 hour 30 minutes equal to 90 minutes. Clear? And 6 hour equal to, that also we convert into minutes. 1 hour equal to how many minutes you say? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 6 hours equal to 6 6 is 36, means 360 minutes. Clear? Concept clear? 1 hour 30 minutes equal to, we are getting 90 minutes, because 1 hour equal to, we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So that's why. Okay, so 1 hour 30 minutes equal to 90 minutes, and 6 hours equal to, accordingly we are getting what? 6 into 60, that means 360 minutes. So now what we get? Just see, minute will be cancelled, unit won't be there, unit in numerator will be cancelled, numerator and denominator. Clear or not? So here see, 0 and 0 also will be cancelled, and 9 4 ja 36. That means it is coming what? Denominator 4 and numerator what? 100. So this one also divisible by 4, 100 also divisible by 4. That means here 4 1 ja 4, and here 4 25 ja 100. So that means we are getting what? We are getting 25%. Clear? Clear or not? So that is the required number. But according to the question we are finding, no, what percent means 25% we are getting. Clear? Next, so I hope clear all problems from question number 1. Now just question number 2. See, question number 2, find x. Question number 2 is telling find x in the following cases. Find x in the following cases. So what is the given data? See, question number 1 is telling 50% of x is 300. Question is telling we find out what x, find 50% of x is 300. So according to the question, very easy problem. What to do? %, of means multiplication, x is money equal to here 300. Clear? 50% of x, of means what? Multiplication. That's why 50% into x equal to 300. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay, now we find out what? Value of x. So 50% means we can write what? 50 by 100 or not? 50 by 100, clear or not? Into x equal to 300, clear? Okay, now we cancel it. See, 50 and 100, 50 into 2 to 100 now, clear? So that's why we are getting what? 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 into x equal to 300. So we find out what? X equal to what? This 2 will go, because numerator nothing is there, only 1 is there, so only 2 will go to the right hand side. Okay, and 2 was there in denominator, so that one will be what? In numerator. So 300 into 2, 300 into 2 means 600. That is the value of x. That is the value of x. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? That is the value of x. Similarly, we find out other problem. 75% of x is 30. 75% of x, I am writing here, 70% of means what? Multiplication, x is 30. This is the question. You should try it. You should try. Okay, you try it. How to do this one? So 75% means we can write what? 75% means 75 by 100 or not? Clear? Into x. Clear or not? Just a minute. Up to this one, clear? Clear? So 70% means 75% means 75 by 100. After that, into x equal to 30. Okay, clear? Okay, now we find out what? X equal to 30 into 100 by 75. 30 into 100 by 75, because 75 by 100 was there in that left hand side. When it is bringing in right hand side, that one will be what? Reciprocal. Clear? Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Now cancel it. See, 75 and 100 will be cancelled by 25 now. 25 4 ja 100 and 75 3 ja 25 3 ja 75. 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja 100. Okay. And another thing, what? 3 10 ja 30. 3 10 ja 30. That means 10 into 4 40. That is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Understood everyone? Clear? This way we find out all problems. Okay, so 3 4 5 you will do. I am doing only 6. Last problem I am doing. Okay, the another remaining portion 4 4 5 3 4 and 5, the 3 problems you will do it. Okay, and show me. Clear everyone? 6 problem. See, question number 6. 5% of x is 200. 5% of x I am doing here. 5%, no? So we will write what? 5% of means multiplication, x equal to rupees equal to 200 only given. So 5% means we can write what? 5 by 100 into x equal to 200 or not? Okay, so now we find out what? X equal to 200 into what will come? Here was 5 by 100, so here will come that one 100 by 5. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so now see, we can cancel it. 5 4 is 20, 40 will come. So 40 into 100 means what? 40 into 100 means 4000, because 4 1 is 4 and 3 zeros, for 3 zeros 3 0 will come. That means this is the value of x, 4000. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Clear everyone? So to complete question number 2, 1 and 2, I hope understood. And the remaining problems, whatever we didn't discuss, that one you should to do it, because the same problem, only datas are different. Data are given, datas are different datas, but process are same. So that's why you should try it. Okay, and if any problem you inform me, I will discuss. Clear? Okay, now question number 3. Question number what? Question number 3. Question number 3 is telling decrease the following quantities by 10%. Decrease the following quantities by 10%. Very important question. যে কোয়ান্টিটিগুলো দেওয়া আছে, রুপিস 3600, 9000 স্কুটার, 3 hours, 5 kilometer, 9730 pencils and 2,39,800 apples. These are what we find out what? Decrease by 10%. Okay, So how to find out the values? Okay, so first problem is that what rupees 3600 and decrease by 10%. So how to this one? At first we'll write what? Rupees 3600. At first we'll write rupees 3600. Okay, we find out what percent? 10%. So 3600 into 10%. Clear? 3600 into 10%. So calculated this one. Calculated this one. This one also we can do it. So see, two ways we can find out. Just one process we are doing now. Later just another process also we will discuss it. Okay, so now find out rupees 3600 into 10% means 10 by 100 or not? 10 by 100. Okay, now 00 cancel it, this 00 cancel, here also 20 cancel. So that means rupees 36 into 10. Rupees 36 into 10 means what? Rupees 360. Okay, clear? After that, in the question is telling decrease by 10%. No, so which one decrease হচ্ছে? কোনটা ডিক্রিজ করছে এখানে? রুপিস 3600টা এটা ডিক্রিজ করছে। কতটা ডিক্রিজ করছে? 10% ডিক্রিজ করছে। তাহলে 10% যে ডিক্রিজটা করছে কত? 360। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে ওই রুপিস 3600 থেকে আমরা কি করব? রুপিস 360টা কি করব? মাইনাস করে দেবো। ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার অর নট? ক্লিয়ার? বিকজ এটাই তো ডিক্রিজ করছে। কতটা ডিক্রিজ করছে? রুপিস 360 ডিক্রিজ করছে। তাহলে সেটা কি করতে হবে? মাইনাস করে দিতে হবে। যদি ইনক্রিজ বলতো আমাদের কি করতাম? অ্যাড করতাম। আর ডিক্রিজ বলছে সিন্স the question is still in decrease, so that's why we will do what? Subtract. Understood? Clear? Okay, so do subtraction everyone. So 3600 and here 360. Here 0, 10 minus 6, here 4, 5 minus 3, 2, 3240. So that means rupees 3240. That is the answer. Okay, clear? Okay, this one process. Another process also we can do it directly. We can do it directly. We can do it. Therefore, required number. This one second process. Okay, this one second process. Okay, CESS. Required number equal to what? Directly we can do it. 3600 minus rupees 3600 into 10%. This one also we can do it. We can write it. Clear? That one what? Directly we can get the answer. Rupees 3600 minus rupees 3600 into 10%. Okay, so see, rupees 3600 minus this one rupees 3600 into 10% means 10 by 100 or not? Clear? So 100 00 will be cancelled, 00 will be cancelled. That means we are getting rupees 3600 minus rupees 36 into 10, 360, and after subtraction what we get? 3240. This is the answer. Clear? This is directly we are getting. Otherwise this process also you can do it. This one also you can do it. Okay, any process you can do it, but same thing will come. And here minus is doing why? Because sir decrease. For decrease we are doing minus. For increase we will do what? Plus only. Same process, only increase. For increase we will do what? Addition, and for decrease we will do what? Subtraction. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so next question take. Question number 2. 9,000 scooters. 9,000 scooters means we will do what? We find out required number. I'm directly we are doing. Okay, therefore required number equal to 9,000 minus 9,000 into 10%. Understood? Clear or not? Because decrease, so that's why here given minus, and here 9,000 scooters telling, so 9,000 minus 9,000 into 10%. Clear? Okay, so here 9,000 minus 9,000 into 10% means 9,000 into 10 by 100. No, so 00 will be cancelled. Clear or not? Here 00 will be cancelled. This 20 will be cancelled. So that means we are getting what? That means we are getting 9,000 minus here 90 into 90 into 10, 90 into 10 means 900. Okay, 90 into 10 means 900. So after subtracting, what we get here? 8100. You can do the subtraction also. 9000 minus 900 will get what? 8100. That means 8100 scooters. That is what? That is the required number. Clear? 8100 scooters. Understood? So same process we will do that another also. Question number 3 is telling, see, 3 hours given. So 3 hours means we convert into what? Minute. Clear? 3 hours equal to, just see, I am doing here. 3 hours equal to, see, I am doing here. 3 hours equal to 3 into 60 minutes or not? That means 180 minutes, because we convert into minutes. Otherwise 3 means that one will be, the fraction will come. Okay, fraction will come. So that is the problem. So that's why that hour we convert into minute. Okay, so 3 hours equal to 180 minutes we are getting. Now we will do what? We find out what required number. So required number equal to what? 180 minutes minus what? 180 into 10%. Clear? 180 minus 180 into 10%. Okay, now do the simplification. 180 minus 180 into 10 means what? 10% means 10 by 100. Okay, so 0 will be cancelled, 2 zeros here, 1 0 for 80, 1 0 and 10 1 0, so 2 zeros will be cancelled. That means we are getting 18 into 1, 18. So 180 minus 18, that means what? Do subtraction everyone. So what we get? 162. Clear? So this way we will do it. Another problem also like same process, just datas are different. So 5 kilometer means we at first we convert into what? We convert into meter. 5 kilometer means 5000 meter. After that we will the decrease, 10% decrease. Okay, clear or not? Okay, see, I am doing 5 kilometer, I am doing check it once. So at first we will write what? 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer means 5 into 1000 meter. That means 5000 meter. Understood or not? 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter. This one clear? Okay, now we find out a required number. Now we find out a required number. Required number means যেটা আমরা বার করব, আমাদের প্রয়োজন যেটা আর কি, যেটা আমরা বার করব, we find out. Which one we find out? Required number equal to, so 5000 what? We can put it here unit also, we can put it, other no need to write. Lastly, at last we will write the unit. Okay, 5000 minus 5000 into 10%. Okay, clear? Concept clear? So 5000 minus 5000 into 10% means 10 by 100. So 2 zeros will be cancelled here, 2 zeros will be cancelled. That means 500 we are getting. Okay, 500 we are getting. So 5000 minus 500, 4500. This is the answer. Okay, 4500. This one will be what? Meter. And here also this one will be what? This one will be minute. 162 minute. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So that way we will do all the problems. The remaining problems we will do it. Clear or not? The remaining problem means I already discussed what? 3600, 9000 scooters, 3 hours, 5 kilometer. This one already discussed. So 5 and 6, this one will do. Okay, you will do. You should try. And if any problem, you inform me. I will discuss it. 5 and 6. Okay. Clear or not? Clear? Now just question number 4. See. Question number 4. Increase the following quantities by 5%. There was decrease by 10%, and here it is telling question number 4 is increase by 5%. Same process, same thing is there, same data. That time we were what? We did the subtraction, or for increase we will do what? Addition. Okay, so 60 at first given what? Rupees 6325. Okay, so I am writing here required number, required number equal to rupees 6325 minus what, rupees 6325 into 5% or not. Concept clear? 6325 given, that is given in the question, 6325, and 5% increasing, no, 5% increasing, so that's why 62.5 minus or plus. At first see this one, what, minus or plus, increase, no, that one will be plus. For increase, that one will be plus. Concept clear? For decrease minus and for increase plus. Okay, so now we'll calculate. So 6325 plus rupees 6325 into 5% means 5 by 100. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now do cancel. So rupees 6325 plus, here see we will do cancellation, no. So any in various process we can do it, any calculation or cancellation like that we can do it. Otherwise here we will do, at first we will do multiply, after that divided by 100, that is better. Okay, 6325 into 5, after that divide by 100, that is better. So here I am doing 6325 into 5, at first we will do 5 5 is 25, 5 2 carry, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 1 carry, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 1 carry, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 1 31. So 31,625 we are getting. Okay, and that one will be what, divided by 100. So that's why we will write what, rupees 31,625 divided by 100. That is better, because power of tens will come in denominator, no, that is the direct division we can get it, otherwise multiplication again division, that is the headache. So that's why that here 6325 will come, plus this one will be what, here we are dividing by 100, 100 means 2 zeros, so point will go to the after 2 digits. Clear or not? So that means what will come, 316.25 will come. Okay, clear? Okay, so now we will do addition. So 6325 and here 316.25 and here 0.0, so do addition to everyone. So here 0.25, here 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, okay, 4, 3 plus 3 6, and here 6, that means rupees 6641.25, rupees 6641.25, that is the answer. Clear everyone? Clear? Not hard, but little conceptual is there, you should practice it, you should try it. Clear? Okay, now the next question, see, next question is telling increase the following quantities by 5%. For following quantities 21,000 cars given. Same process, only we will do what, only we will do addition. So therefore required number equal to 21,000, no, plus, so 21,000 plus, after that what to do, after that what, 21,000 into 5, 21,000 into 5%, that is the thing. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now 21,000 plus 21,000 into 5% means 5 by 100, so 0 0 will be cancelled, here 0 0 will be cancelled. Okay, okay, after that 21,000 plus 210 into 5, 200 plus 200 into 5 what, 1,000, 1,000 and 10 into 5 50, so 1,050, 1,050. Okay, and we will do the addition, so 21,000, that means what will come, 22,050 will come, that is the answer. Clear? That is the required number. Clear everyone? Understood? I have understood all problems. So the remaining problem you will do it same process. For increasing we will do addition, and for decreasing you will do the subtraction. Okay, so here 4 1 and 2 finished, and 3 4 5 6 you will do it. Okay, 3 4 5 6 you will do it. From next day I will explain that 5 6 7, this all problems I will explain. If you can do that one, you can do it, no problem, I have no problem that one, you just do and show me. Okay, even in doubt you should inform me also, no problem that one. So I hope all problems clear today. That all explanation problems, all the things I hope clear, understood, and even in doubt you should inform. Okay, so take your homework everyone. Homework what? 1 to up to 4 all problems, 1 to up to 4 all problems, that is your homework. Okay, 1 to up to 4 all problems, practice and show me. Okay, practice and show me. Clear? That is the thing, you should do it, even in doubt inform me. Okay, but you should submit the homework, that is must compulsory. Clear? That's all.